Magandang araw, guys. At this very outset, I'd like to congratulate every one of you, especially the enablers of this reunion that you are having right now. I'm glad that you are able to connect with me again. And thank you to Mrs. Amosco for contacting me also. Thank you, Gia. Thank you, Apple, for finding me in the social media. I'd like to congratulate everyone because imagine after 25 years, you are able to see each other again. 25 years is quite a long time. I don't even know if I could still recognize you when I see each one of you again. But definitely I remember your names but not your faces. I'm glad that you are having this reunion because this is the time for you to reconnect, to renew friendship, to refresh camaraderie, and maybe refresh your bonding again. I know that some of you are already having good times in life. You are well placed in life after 25 years. And I'm a bit sure that most of you are already married, having family. Siguro nga may mga manugang ng iba dyan sa inyo. But yet, you are still here. Thank you so much for remembering me in this very important occasion. Sabi ni Apple, na pag-usapan daw nung nag-meeting, natakot sa akin dahil physics teacher ako. Natakot sa math. Pero okay lang yan. Pinasa ko naman kayo lahat, di ba? Otherwise, you were not able to graduate. Thank you so much also, my dear co-teachers. Ate Malu Amosco, Ate Karing, Carmen, and all the other teachers who somehow enrich my experience because of your friendship. We were a family at St. Rita College. We were friends at St. Rita College. We value each other as persons, as the student-teacher relationship that we had. I know that we were happy during those days. And I know you were happy too because of your friendship in high school. Sabi nga niyan, the most memorable years in the school is the high school years. And I hope you can still see each other again in your next reunion. And please extend to those who are not in your reunion today, extend my love and regards. And I'm not sure if we'll see each other again. I am now here in Masbate, so far from Manila, and I have difficulty traveling because of my health issues. Nevertheless, I wish everyone a very fruitful and meaningful reunion. Needless to say, I love you all. God bless everyone. May you journey towards a much, much better situation in life. So, thank you so much for remembering me. God bless.